Dorado Hills is a prestigious area close to the foothills, 30 minutes east of Sacramento and 90 minutes west of Lake Tahoe. This area has a variety of luxury homes. The schools, Oak Ridge High School is rated 10 out of 10 for college readiness on greatschools.org. Elementary and middle schools offer extra educational opportunities, including Mandarin immersion, robotics, and band programs for the youth. Go into the gated villages of Serrano for a round of golf, tennis, with endless views of the rolling foothills. Folsom Lake has scenic trails for biking and hiking, or jump in the water and go paddleboarding, kayaking, or water skiing. Come see an IMAX movie at the Regal Cinemas, check out a book at the local library or one of our smaller bookstores, or try some of the local cuisine that include Japanese, Indian, Middle Eastern, Thai, Chinese, Mexican, or American food. The Best Sac Homes Group team is here to guide you. We were voted the #1 team in Sacramento and the #2 team in the state.